lovies, I'm just coming on here real quick. I know I look crazy, but I am laying down my wig. The wig that I am laying down today, well, tonight actually, because I have somewhere to go in the morning. So I'm laying my wig down tonight. But the wig that I am using is the CBWigs. And this wig is from Amazon. And this is the CBWigs Long Wavy Gray Synthetic Lace Front Wig. I will link this unit down below in the description box, so you lovers can check it out. Wanted to come on here and just quickly show y'all how I lay down my lace front units. This stocking cap, y'all seen me haul before. This stocking cap is also from Amazon. And to lay my stocking cap down, I use the Eco Professionals Styling Gel. And I also used a little bit of the Got to Be glue in the yellow. And some Pump It Up. If y'all don't have the Got to Be glue freeze spray, then just use the Pump It Up spray. So that's what I use to lay down my unit, and to lay down the stocking cap. And I also use just some blonde thread to sew it down around my braids where I braided it. And now I'm just cutting off this excess stocking cap. I put my glue and my gel and stuff down. I did, and spritzed it. I did blow dry it for about 20-30 minutes or so it takes to stiffen up. So yeah, and I just want to make sure I trim it up real good before I begin to apply my Ghost Bond glue. And this is my Ghost Bond Glue XL. The XL is stronger than the regular Ghost Bond glue. So that's why I am using that one. I like both of them, so really doesn't matter. But the XL bottle, I want to say this bottle is a little bit bigger than the regular one. And it just has extra moisture control. So yeah. So now I'm about to take my unit out to show you lovies. And it came like this. It did come in a plastic bag as well, but I took it out of the bag. And then here's a card right here, and this is basically talking about rating and all that good stuff. So yeah, but y'all, this unit is so pretty and it's so soft, and I fell in love with it. So it looks like this. This is what she looks like. And this will be my first time, y'all, with gray. So I hope it looks right on me. But it has, move this stuff out the way. It has the adjustable straps. It has 1, 2, 3 combs. And this is your lace right here. And you do have some baby hairs as well. So very, very pretty. The body is pretty. And as you can see, it is very soft. Like, it does not feel like synthetic hair at all. And the hairline, I love the way the hairline looks. If you can see there. It's not like straight across, which is good. But I always use a razor to cut my lace. I don't like using scissors because the scissors makes a, and what you love has probably heard me say in a video before, it makes a blunt cutting, you know, straight across. It makes it look very, very like blunt. And I cannot stand the way that looks. So, right here, all I do is just take my sponge that I use to, like, you know, do my foundation. And I'll take a little bit of that. Just a little bit. You don't need much of it. Just to tint the lace. And I just tint my lace a little bit across the front. Okay. And you want to make sure that the stocking cap is fully dry before you apply your foundation or whatever you want to tint your cap. You want to make sure it's fully dry. And as you can see how it is blending in with my forehead area. So now, and for those who may ask, I use my Maybelline Fit Me in 240 to tint my lace. So now we get into the Got To Be glue. So, I mean the Ghost Bond. With Ghost Bond glue, a lot of people say, well, not a lot of people, but some people say that it tends not to work correctly. That's because you have to, when using Ghost Bond glue, you have to apply 3 applications. Between each application, you have to make sure that you dry it down until it's clear on cool. And which y'all are going to see me do. So you just take and put like droplets around the hairline. And then I just take something with a tip. You can use a comb. I use different types of stuff to do this. And you can just smooth it down like this. Bringing it down over top of the edge of that stocking cap. And that's what's going to make that stocking cap lay. The very edge of that stocking cap lay flat. Like so. Okay. So I'm going to wipe the tip of that off, and then I'm going to take my blow dryer and blow dry on cool. So as you can see, it's starting to turn clear. So you want to repeat this step again twice. And then I'm going to come back when I trim the lace off of my unit. Alright, so here I have my straight razor. And, well, not my straight razor, but my eyebrow razor. So I just go as close as possible. Not super close. You don't want to go super close. To cut that lace. Probably won't be able to see, but just trust me. It's much better to use one of these to cut your lace off of your unit. Go ahead and cut your lace before you do your third application of glue. And like I said, if you're not wearing this, you don't want it to stay for a little bit, you know, hold for a little bit while, at least about a week, then do not use the Ghost Bond. Because that is only meant for long application. When you take it off too soon, it can cause breakage. So yeah. Alright, so I removed my lace. And so as you can see, my lace is very jagged in the front. That's what you want. You don't want a dull, blunt, straight across, like I said. So yeah. Now I'm going to go ahead and do my third application and last of the Ghost Bond, and I'll be right back. Okay, so as soon as that third application begins to dull down and turn clear, that's when you want to go ahead and get that wig ready. So yeah, I don't know how much this wig is big head girl friendly, so I am going to go ahead and hook my adjustable straps in. So yeah, because it is pretty wide, so I think I will be able to work with it. Well, I know I will be. So I'm going to go ahead, and you want to just ease it up the back first. And you want to make sure that it's straight and straight coming up the back, meaning your combs are right where they need to be. You see how I have my combs on each side? Your combs are where they need to be. It's no comb right in the back, so yeah. And those baby hairs are just combed back into the regular length hair. And you want to go ahead and pull that baby forward. You don't need to stick your combs in. I don't recommend sticking your combs in. And you just move it back a tad and adjust the back. So I got my red tail comb, and my red tail comb is just going to be used for laying those edges. You don't want to use your finger. Do not use your finger. You want to use your red tail comb. This is how I get my edges laying, you know, perfectly. As you can see. I'm going to fix this side. And I wish this unit, wish it did have a comb in the back, but it don't, because it is, this unit is like very, very big head girl friendly. But it'll definitely work for me. Let's check this side. And if you have an area that's, you know, wants to be stubborn, like this part here, You can always go in. Ooh, I had my eye. You can always go in with your Ghost Bond and tap you some right there. And you can blow dry a little bit on cool. And then you can just take your rat tail comb and go ahead and just lay it down like so. And it dries clear, so you don't have to worry about it. So yeah, this is what we're looking like. This is what this unit is looking like. It comes like right there on me. So yeah. But this is the gray curly unit from CBWigs. I will leave the links, well, the link to this unit down below in the description box. And the hairline is so lit. So yeah. Hope you lovers enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a big thumbs up. And I will see you babes in the next video.